Habitat LLC investment opportunities in today's real market. And I have with me today Tom. The audience, I am recording. The audience cannot hear you, but they can hear me. I am recording this so that I can get two birds with one stone here. Okay, so I'd like to thank you first of all for meeting me today. I mean, I appreciate it. How much time do you see us spending today together here? It takes about 45 minutes. Does that work for you? Okay. As you know, I have some potential real estate investing opportunities that may be interesting to you and you may be interested in. This presentation will explain the current opportunity in the real estate market, what we do and how that relates to you, the investor. I'm not really sure if this program is right for you, so I'll be asking questions throughout the presentation to find out. Does that sound good? All right. Great. I'd like to talk about the current real estate market. It's a seller's market. What do I mean by it's a seller's market? I'll mention three things I want to mention here. It's a seller's market, the state of the lending industry, and the prices are at an all-time high. And I want to explain how that's good for you, Tom, as the investor. This means that buyers are having a difficult time finding properties, and that allows sellers to be very picky. They are more motivated. There are more motivated buyers now than ever. So this is an excellent time to invest in new construction properties and to invest in purchase of homes and upgrade them so that people can have nice homes to move in with new appliances and new paint jobs and things of that nature. So it's great for investors at this time. Second of all, mortgage lenders have expressed need for more inventory. They are coming to lenders and other people who are lending and saying that they need more inventory. They need to, freshen the market up. Prices have increased to reflect the seller's market. And as I said before, this has caused a limited supply for qualified buyers. There are qualified buyers out here who are at 100 and maybe 79,000, between 179,000 K. They're trying to buy something between 179 to 210, and the market is flying up so high, so fast that it's leaving them behind. So there is, and they are qualified for that amount of money, but the sellers are capping out. They're topping out. All of this. They say my home's worth $260,000. I want $260,000. Well, that's leaving their home on the market a little longer, and it's sort of putting them in a position to where they may be able to get that money, but they're going to have to wait. But for investors, this is an excellent market because the prices are at an all-time high, and there is room for investors to get in where they fit in. Opportunity awaits the intelligent investor. I put that slide in just because you, Tom, I know you're a smart guy. Our business model. Let's go back a little bit here. Let's go back. I want to go back a little bit. We'll do a little too fast there. Okay. All of this combined culminates into an incredible time to buy. Most investors do the exact opposite. Um, they wait to invest, watch others get in early, and wait to invest. Wait a little longer, and then finally invest when at the peak. In an up market, we do exactly what intelligent investors do. We buy and build. We buy new construction and upgrade old homes because the time is right. Does that make sense, Tom? Yes, it's actually great for us at this time. We're doing a wonderful job with keeping things moving around here. Our business model, we locate motivated developers and sellers. We provide solutions through speed and ease of transaction. We use cash from investors to buy new construction properties, used home or land. We increase value of property through upgrades, and we create a win-win-win scenario between the seller, the investor, and eHabitat LLC. I want to explain what our business model looks like so that you have a full understanding how you, the investor, come into play. What we do is we locate motivated developers and sellers. As I just said, there are a ton of motivated developers and sellers out there right now. We have several different marketing strategies that we use for them. We provide solutions through speed and ease of transaction. Our primary service to someone that needs to sell is speed. To take care of a problem property and the ease of working with a professional buyer. These use cash for investors to buy properties at a deep discount. Through our investors, we have the ability to make someone a cash offer and close very quickly. By providing this service, we get to buy properties at a discount, usually at about 80% of value. That means that we might pay 165 for a house that's worth 190K. Adding upgrades to the property can increase the value 30%, and a house once valued at $190,000 can be revalued to $270,000. We approach developers with the ability to purchase pre-construction, which gives us a position of equity in that particular scenario. When you go pre-construction, you're able to buy $250,000 property for $170,000 if you're buying 10 properties at 1.7 million. The developer can then start a new project with that 1.7 million, and he can sell those other properties as he's selling at a profit, but he's not going in without capital. If he sells some before he even begins the project, then he has money coming out of the project to go start another project. So that's where we at eHabitat LLC work with developers and investors to make things keep moving and make the process uh, more win-win for everybody. We eHabitat will add value to the property. Well, what we're talking about when we're adding value to the property, when we purchase a home, let's say, like I said, we purchase a home at 165,000, and we add to it. We add upgraded fixtures, painting, flooring, carpet, and appliances, things of that nature, and we create a win-win scenario.